Struggling with manual contract management? Say goodbye to messy paperwork and hello to effortless efficiency with our data management system. Creating contracts is a breeze. Simply add your contract subject and contract description. Set start and end dates. Define the contract type and value. Define your client details. No need for endless form filling. Our DMS takes care of it all. Craft a clear and comprehensive description for each contract. Assign specific clients, attach relevant files, and keep everything organized.